All right, 101boxbreaks.com, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Doing some Bowman Sterling tonight? No Breakers TV, sorry about that, guys. Only on Ustream tonight. Broadcasting from the laptop. I hope everything goes good. Like I said, I have a new internet connection, but I am broadcasting from a laptop tonight. Tomorrow I'll have 2 new computers up and running. Awesome stuff. We're about to get into that bad boy. Got that bad boy with it. But what we're going to do first is a little bit of a randomization and see who's got who. That way we know how to assign these cards. All right, guys. Like I said, thanks for hanging in there. 2014 Bowman Sterling Dual Box Mixer with jersey entry. That's right, 1/16, 2015. Here's everybody who bought into the break. Brad S., Jace L., Charlie C., Brandon C., Anthony E., Boofer, Mike D., Chad S.C., welcome to the site, Jonathan S., Alex D.A., Jason L., Brad S.E., Alan T., Jason A., James C.O., Charlie C., Anthony E., Ragin' Reagan, Brandon C. again, Michael C.A., the Hitman, Chris P.A., Alan T., Liam C.A. from the UK, getting a couple spots in there, Brad S.E. Thank you guys very much. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these 32 names, I'm going to copy them up, open up my random.org, paste you guys in. Liam C. at the bottom, Brad S. at the top. Here we go. Here's number 1. 32 items on our list. There's the first randomization, guys. Timestamp, all that fun stuff. Number 2. Oh. Boofer at the top after number 2. 2 times. And final order. There it is. All right, guys. I'm going to take these 32 names here, copy them on up, open up number 1, paste you guys in, hit print real fast. All right, guys, here's your teams. I'll show you the sheet before we get crack-a-lack-a-lackin'. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Hopefully a little bit better experience than the other night. Still got a chance at this guy right here, Blakey B. All you got to do is buy his spot in one of the Sterling breaks tonight. All right, I'll show you the sheet here, and then we'll crack that case. Got to number some boxes. 2013 Bowman Sterling Dual Box Mixer with jersey entry, 1/16, 2015. Here's your teams, guys. Sorry if I'm a little off tonight, but I'm looking the opposite way and everything. Got a whole different setup going tonight. There's your teams, guys. I will definitely call them out as they come. That's how we roll around here. There's a good look at them. Got a bad break tonight. It's not really a bad break. Get entered into a Super Bowl bracket through 101 Box Breaks. Also, too, guys, I will have Supreme tomorrow. It's been confirmed from UPS. The delay is over. We should have the Supreme tomorrow, so whenever that fills, we can crack it. Removal of shipping label, I take it. Skype it with Skeeter. Coming late this weekend. I love it. Welcome, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. It's the Boom Factory. 101boxbreaks.com. Stung in the house. Ooh, I like it. All right. This is our first Sterling experience here on the site. We're going to take 1 and 2 for tonight. Right off the top. There's ours. They're just over here to the left where you could see them. Then I'm going to break out the pen and do some work. If I can get the boxes out in an orderly fashion. It's always the fun part. All right. This is going to be number 3. D Money. Number 3, D Money. There's one more up there. Number 4, D Money. So that'll be round number 2. All right. Then we got number 5. This will be the first one of number 3. Give it the D Money hit up right there. Number 6, D Money Flex. All right, brother. Number 7, D Money. So this will be the 4th one. And here's going to be number 8, D Money. So that'll be the last box of the 4th break. Remember, every spot that you buy, you guys, you get a full-size jersey entry. Been pulling some pretty nice ones out. I think the last one was Rod Woodson. Not too shabby. Pack these bad boys back up real quick, and then we can get started with what we came here for. Thanks, guys. All right. There's that. We're live. We're recording. You guys have seen your teams. We're starting with the Chrome, like always. Can't even see it myself. 0697. Like I said, guys, a little different tonight. You should have more of a Breakers TV type view tonight if you've seen my breaks on Breakers before. Using that camera, that computer, while we're tuning up the other one. My Ustream computer is getting stripped down, and it's getting turned into a streaming-only computer. It's going to be just for the broadcast. So if we have any more problems like the other night, we'll know for sure it is not on my end. There we go. Empty box. Breaks underway, guys. Number 2's up. There was 18 spots left last time I checked. I don't know if anyone's gotten any or not. Hey, Martin. ASG Mini. Aaron Rodgers. A little water there. Looks like there has been some orders. Like I said, we can do number 2 tonight if you guys fill it up. Plus, you get that Blake Bortles entry. Why not, right? Anthony Barr. Aaron Rodgers refractor. Going to be getting one Chrome rookie auto out of here. Silas Red guaranteed for the Skins. Moncrief. Clinton Dixon. We got Schnooten. Little prismatic Schnooten right there. Non-numbered version. Then we go to the Panthers. Brad S. with the Panthers. Jordy Nelson. Yeah, so I've been dealing with the computer thing too. So I haven't gotten any of the pictures up or anything, but there's going to be tons of tweets tonight, guys. Tons of pictures up on Flickr if you use those. And you know, guys, I have the Flickr. There's a link at the top of the site for the Flickr. And, you know, you can use that for anything. I get the hits up usually really quick. It's been a little slower lately because the site's picked up a little bit, but I'm coming up with new methods to make everything faster. And, you know, you can use those for your eBay listings, any different type of stuff that you need to do just to show off, whatever. But check it out on the site, guys. There's a Gronk refractor. Greg Robinson, Bishop Sankey, Tony Romo, and Arian Foster. Yeah, and like I said, Supreme will be in tomorrow, according to UPS, you know. But we should be able to do that this weekend if you guys want to. Here we go, little Cordarrelle Patterson, Sapia. It's going to be going to the Vikes. James C.O. 36 out of 99. Very nice. And Patrick Peterson. I love it. Thanks, Stung. Antone Exum. Jordy Nelson refractor, Victor Cruz. I like a dude, the cha-cha. Jordan Lynch. Robert Griffin III, Kiko. Garrett Gilbert with that beautiful little auto there. It's going to be going to the Rammers, Ellen TH. Non-numbered version. And Alan, them Rammers, they be off the board, buddy. All right, lots of chrome to go through here, so let me try and bust it out. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. 101boxbreaks.com. It's Heavy D, hanging at the Boom Factory tonight. Eric Berry at the back there. Really do appreciate it, everyone. Coney Ely, Mike Wallace refractor. Little Jason Barrett action for the Pulse, right? Dante Moncrief. Little Lucius Purifoy. Right before that, one of those names I just love saying. Taylor Lewan. Tavon Austin and Pierre Garcon. For the Redskins. Booper 77. I'm going to call them all out now. Trent Murphy for the Redskins. Booper 77. Don't go nowhere. Deshaun Jackson refractor, Anthony E.R. Tamba Hali. Little Johnny Football. Joe Flacco and Earl Thomas. I love it. The hype man. It's like the wingman. I got your back, brother. All right. Devon Street. Little Brandon Cooks action. Little mini there. AJ Green and Eddie Lacy in the house. Good evening, Carey. Brian Hartline refractor. Mr. Tannehill at the back of the pack. Still waiting on the blue wave. There should be a blue wave in here and a green, right? ASJ, here we go. Troy Nicholas. Blue wave refractor. That's going to be for the Cardinals. Michael C.A., the Hitman, joining us tonight. Come on. Redskins hot pack. That's right. Bruce Ellington, A.J. McCarron die-cut. Who's got the Bengals? Charlie C. And Clay Matthews. Almost through the chrome, guys. Then we can get to the fun stuff. 6 dual relics per box, 2 auto relics, plus 4 autos per box. That was a Greg Hardy refractor there for the Panthers. Rad S with the Panthers tonight. Aaron Cullen, A-Rob, Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins, Hooper 77, Mario Williams. Yeah, the chrome's just really a kicker and an opportunity for everybody to get some cards. That's why I add them to the breaks. You never know when you'll pull something out. We've gotten a couple of the thickies and stuff. Trey Mason, Jimmy Garoppolo, Jeff Matthews, black border refractor. 47 out of 299. That's going to go to the Dirty Birds. Dirty Birds, Jason A.M. 2 packs left in chrome. Then we get into the Sterling. Hobby-only product. I love it when they put that on the boxes. Mark Easley, Eric Ebron, Mario Williams refractor, and Jamal Charles. Yeah, Chrome was a very big disappointment to me this year. Compared to 2013 Chrome, Yeah, that's why I'm using it as giveaways and stuff. C.J. Mosley. What? Kids of Beast. Kyle Van Noy, green border. These are non-numbered, but that's going to the Lions. Charlie C. And then we got Josh Gordon. That's going to do it for Chrome, guys. Let's get to the Sterling. Exactly. It gets the meal started. You know what I mean? 6 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Bowman Sterling. This is my first Sterling break, so I hope it goes well, guys. But it's been requested by a couple people. Thought of a fun way to do it this weekend. Got our box topper. We got our box number. And we got 6 packs. We got an empty, shiny box. That's the best view of Heavy D you're going to get right there. Let's start with the box topper. Let's see who's getting a little boom boom right off the bat. Ooh, eBay 101 even? I like it. Look at this. Devontae Adams, nasty 1 out of 25. Jumbo patch, box topper. There you go. Let's go to the pack attack. Charlie C.O. There you go. Way to get on the board with that nasty little Devontae Fester Adams. 1 out of 25 for the pack attack. And that's just the box topper. Stevie B, is that true? See, like I said, guys, my first Sterling break here, so let me know, please. All right, we'll do it like this then. Kyle Van Noy. I'll be going to the Lions. Lions tonight. Charlie C. And then we got Darqueze Dennard. That's a Bengals play, Mr. CF. Then we got Taj Boyd. Let's go to the Jets. Brad S. with the Jets. Oh, okay. And then Charlie Sims. Autographed rookie relic Charlie Sims. That's going to be going to the Bucks. The Buccaneers, Liam C.A. All the way out in the UK. Getting on the board with a little Charlie Sims action. There you go, Liam. Hope you're on and watching. And then James White. Dual patch. James White. And that's going to the Patriots. Brandon C.R. Oh, that's going to like resort a little love. There's no Cowboys at all. That's Jason L.I. spot. This is going to be going to the Patriots. Brandon C.R. There you go. 1 patch and 1 auto out of the way. The Bucks are off the board. The Patriots are down. And that's pack number 1, guys. Do a little mess organization over there. A little thicky going on here. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. 101boxbreaks.com's Heavy D doing some Sterling. Hoping to get insanely nasty for you guys tonight. Here we go. Coney Ely. That's going to go to the Panthers. Brad S. with the Panthers. And then, a little flip on us here. Tom Savage. Going to Chris P.A. and the Texans. And then we got Trey Mason. That's going to be 33 out of 99. Get a really good shot up my nose if I hold this at the right. There it is. 33 out of 99. If I put my head where I want it to focus, it'll focus in on it. That's going to be going to the Rammies. Let's flip these bad boys over. First one's going to be Carlos Hyde. Dual patch, Carlos Hyde. Non-numbered version. And non-focus version. There it is. That's going to be going to the 49ers. Alan T.H. with the 49ers. And then Storm Johnson. 42 out of 99 going to the Jaguars. Alex D.A. Well, Storm Johnson out for you there. So that's going to take the Jaguars and the Niners off the board. Sterling looks like it's going to spread the love a little. Another sticky here. Maybe that Finney was just because of the redemption, and they're all going to be thickies, right? One from the bottom. Here we go. Jarvis Landry service. Nice. A ham Sammy. Go to the Dolphins. Brad S.E. There you go. Trying to keep up with the chat, guys. Paul Richardson. Little P. Rich. The Seahawks tonight. James Sia. And then we got another eBay 101. Jordan Matthews. 75 out of 75. Kid is a beast. Going to the Eagles. Brandon C.R. The flip. Brandon Cooks. Dual patch. Brandon Cooks. Going to the Saints. Charlie C.O. with the Saints. Very nice. Non-numbered version, sir. Saints will be coming down right after this. Bishop Sankey. 50 out of 99. Bishop Sankey. That's going to the Titans. Mike D. There you go, Mikey D. Little Bishop Sankey for you right there. 50 out of 99 from Bowman Sterling. All right, that'll do it for that pack, guys. Let me take down the Saints. Let me take down the Titans. Get rid of these base. And another thing. I love it. So far, I like Sterling. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, Charlie Sims. There he is, the man in the flesh, going to Liam C.A. and the Bucks. Then we got Jordan Matthews, but we're getting all based out this time. Now we go back to the Eagles, Brandon C. And then Jeremy Hill. Who's got the Bengals? Charlie C. All right. Eric Ebron. Dual patch. One's got some nasty lettering or something in it. Non-numbered version, but still very nice. It's going to be going to the Lions. Charlie C.O. And then, David Fails. 22 out of 25. David never fails. It's a nice looking card. And that's going to be going to the Bears, Mr. C.O. Very nice. Lions down, Bears down. Spreading the love out. Definitely. We're not even through one box. We already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teams with a hit. Right? If you can actually get the Aikman sandwich auto, who wouldn't want it, right? Sammy Watkins. That's going to be going to the Bills. The Bills tonight are Chase Elliott, Mr. Lobato 60 on the chat, Louis Nix. That's going to the Texans. The Texans tonight, Chris PA. Little Kevin Norwood action. Oh, this is just great. That's going to be going to the Seahawks. The Seahawks tonight, James C.O. This is pretty nasty. Dree Archer, dual patch. Dree Archer, 43 out of 75. Going to the Steelers, Raging Reagan. On the chat, James Nunley on the chat. There we go. 43 out of 75. Nasty little Dree Archer. And this is what I just love about this stuff. Hey, Boofer. Lachey Seastrunk. That's going to the Redskins. Anthony E.R. losing out on the bad break bonus. Boofer 77 on the chat. Little Lachey Seastrunk out of there. Non-numbered version. Nice hit, though, sir. So we got the Steelers and the Redskins down in that one, huh? Two new teams again. That's what I call spreading the love. It's like about 12 teams down in one box. Yep. You got some love, though. Come on. Come on. Mark Easley. That's going to be going to the Jaguars. Alex D. And then we got Dante Moncrief. Be going to the Colts. Who's got the Colts tonight? The Colts are Jonathan S. We got Caron Reed. That's going to the Lions. Charlie C.O. Little Johnny Football. Ooh, that next one's nice. Dual patch, Johnny Manziel. It's going to be going to the Brownies. James C.O. with the Browns. Scoring yourself a little dual Johnny Manziel here. And I like this next one. Brandon Cooks. 18 out of 75. It looks like a green 3-color patch auto. And that's going to be going to the Saints, Charlie C.O. Charlie12272 on the chat. Well, 18 out of 75. Brandon Cooks coming your way. Saints already had a hit. The Browns are down for the bad break bonus. And that's only one box, guys. I think we got 13 teams out of the way in box one. Here's box number 2. You still got a chance at the Blake Bortles. I don't know if spots are selling in round 2. If there's anything left in round 2, update me, guys. I am down one computer tonight. Yeah, just so that you guys know, too, if you end up with the Cowboys, I'm going to hook you up. All right? If you end up with the Cowboys, you're going to get hooked up by Heavy D. Box number 2. Thanks, Stung One. You're going to have a chance at that Blake Bortles tonight, whether number 2 fills or not. We'll just do number 2 tomorrow night, guys. Got a box topper. Oh, 400 seems to be the same number as last time. Let me take the 6 packs out. Empty reflective box. All right. Yeah, I'll try and do something, especially if number 2 doesn't fill tonight. I'll try and do something about the Cowboys situation. See what I got to laying around to make that better. This looks nice. Little moons over my hammy. Sammy Watkins, jumbo, nasty patch there. Non-numbered. Beautiful card there, though. Beautiful card. All right, nice Sammy. Nice little moons over my hammy. Going to Jace L.O. and the Bills. Lobato 60 on the chat. Remember, too, guys, I'm, technical difficulties tonight and all that fun stuff. Our broadcast seems to be holding up well, but I'm only down to one computer right now, so I can't really be on top of everything as much as I'd like to be. But I really do appreciate it, guys. Like I said, I'm just trying to make your guys' experience better. So I just ask for your patience for the next day or so. And I will have everything ironed out, and we shouldn't have any deals like we did the other night. Little ha-ha, Clinton Dix. There we go. A little heavy D close-up for you there. And that's going to go into the pack attack. Mr. CO with the Packers. Then we got Cyrus. Cyrus the Virus. Quanjo. Going to the Bills. Jay Cello. Devontae Fester Adams. Right back to the pack attack. Let's give these the flip. Dean Anthony Thomas. Dual patch there. Going to the Chiefers, Mr. CO with the Chiefs. Is there? Yeah, see, I got to look into it. Like I said, if number 2 doesn't fill tonight, I'll see what I got to do about it. But I got to look at it because if they do have hits, then that's a whole different. Yeah. Chiefers, Charlie CO, and the next hit, Kadeem Carey, single color patch out of. That'll be going back to the Bears, Mr. C. There you go. Kadeem Carey there. All right. Bears already off the board. Chiefs coming down. All right, we got 5 packs left, guys. Here we go. One from the bottom this time. We got Trey Mason. The Con Air reference. You gotta love it, right? He's loving it. Somebody picked up on it. Timmy Jernigan. I'm basically all night long shooting movie references at you guys. I'm like a movie encyclopedia. Going to the Ravens here. Charlie C with the Ravens. Hey, look at this guy. Garrett Gilbert making another appearance. 21 out of 99. Garrett Gilbert. Going to the Rammies. Alan T. That Topps Chrome Garrett Gilbert auto. Ooh, nasty. Nasty. Aaron Murray. Nasty little patch there. Non-numbered version. Going to the Chiefers. Charlie C. This one's almost borderline. Should put it in some plastic. Little Ha Ha Clinton Dix. Blue Wave Refractor Auto, 1 out of 15. Going to the pack attack. Charlie C.O. Keeping the eBay 101 streak alive. I love it. All right, the Chiefs and the Packers already down. So we are doubling up a little now. 4 packs left. Super. Uber thick. All right. Ahmad Dixon. And that's going to be going to the Cowboys. The Cowboys tonight. Jason, L.I. Jason, I'll get with you on that Cowboy spell. We'll see what's up, man. We'll look into it. Robert Heron. That'll be going to the Bucks. The Bucks. Liam C.A. Jake Matthews. 19 out of 99. Jake Matthews. That's going to the Falcons. Jason A.M. with the Falcons. Love it. Little Derek Dude Where's My Car dual patch. It's going to be going to the Raiders. The Raiders tonight. Chad SC, the newbie on the site. There you go. Chad S. Nice Derek Carr duel for you right there. And then, little 7 out of 25, Josh Huff. Another one of those cool prismatic autos. That's going to be going to the Eagles. Brandon CR with the Eagles. It's 2 new teams off the list there, too. Nice Josh Huff. Derek Carr. Nice pack all around right there. Eagles down. Raiders down. Jake Matthews. Okay, 3 packs left, guys. Then we'll do a couple randomizations. Really do appreciate it, everyone. Thank you for the patience. I know no breakers tonight. Blake Bortles, no breakers TV tonight. But like I said, just trying to improve the experience. This guy is haunting us today. Garrett Gilbert, complete the whole set. Going to the Rammies. Jared Abbrederis. That'll be going to the pack attack. Charlie C. Why not? Right? Little Odell Beckham Jr. Dual patch going to the Giants. Chris P.A. Not bad. Snuck a couple colors in there. Odell Beckham Jr. The catch. Coming your way. Chris P.A. And then, Greg Robinson. 70 out of 99, Greg Robinson. And that's going to be going back to the Rammies. Alan T. doing some work with Garrett Gilbert tonight. Nice Odell Beckham Jr. there, though. Not too bad at all. Rammies are already down. The Giants need to come off the board. That bad break bonus is getting a little easier to get into by the minute here. The Broncos, Cardinals, Chargers, Colts, Cowboys, Dolphins, Falcons, Jets, Ravens, Seahawks, Texans, and Vikings do not have a hit. And there is 2 packs left. Good luck to you guys. AJ McCarron. It's going to be going to the Bengals. Charlie C. I love it. Trent Murphy. That's going to go to the Redskins, Anthony ER. And then Calvin Pryor. That's going to be going to the Jets. The Jets, Brad S.E. Devontae Freeman. 3-color dual patch there. Going to the Dirty Birds, the Falcons, Jason A.M. Sked Corvettes on the chat. Only on Thursday nights, Stevie B. Only on Thursday nights. All right, and then we got Robert Heron. And that'll be going back to the Bucks. Liam C.A. from the UK doing some work with the Bucks tonight. Non-numbered version there. And we got the last pack coming up. Still want to see a big name auto out of this stuff, but it is the first 2 boxes. We got a fresh case, guys. Round number 2's up. I don't know how many spots have sold. If we're doing that live next, cool. If not, we're going to get right into those randomizations. Jalen Saunders. We go to the Jets. The Jets, Brad S. Taylor Lewan. That'll be going to the Titans. Mike D with the Titans. Then we got Jadeveon Clowney. Yep, we did it, guys. We did it. Yes. Jadeveon Clowney nastiness. Woo! For the Texans, Chris P.A. Oh, is this going to be just insanely nasty or what? Woo! This is going to be out of control. Oh, yeah. Oh, my Lord. Yeah. We did really, really good, guys. Oh, man. Jarvis Landry service. 4-color dual patch for the Dolphins. Brad S.E. You guys. Oh. Stung, are you there? Stung17, are you there? Please tell me you're there, Stung1. Get back to me quick, brother. Get ready to do a live tweet if you are for me, okay? Can you do a live tweet for me? Because this next one's hot. Jarvis Landry service right there, guys. That'll be taking the Dolphins off the board. The last card, what a way to end it. Oh, my lordy lady, lordy lady. Hey, Stung, you're there. Get ready to tweet it, brother. Odell Beckham Jr. 27 out of 75. Green. 3-color. They stuck some blue in there. Boom! Boom! 37 out of 75. Odell Beckham Jr. 3-color patch auto. Going to the Giants, Chris P. A. Boom! There it is. What a way to end it. Odell Beckham Jr. 37 out of 75 from Sterling. That's hot. That is hot nastiness. Woo! Wow! Loving it. That's definitely the Giants are already off the board. The Dolphins already off the board, or I just took them off the board. Let me get the bad break bonus going, guys, for the 1-of-1 Super Bowl bracket spots. All right. So if you had the Bengals tonight, you win hitless. Broncos. No love for the Broncos tonight. No CLAT. Cardinals, Chargers. Who else? The Cardinals didn't get any love? Are you sure? It was Aaron Murray and DeAnthony Thomas. Those were both Chiefs. All right, Cardinals, Chargers. Colts, Cowboys, no love. Falcons got a hit. The Jets and the Panthers. Who else didn't get a hit? The Ravens. Seahawks. Texans and Vikings. All right. Yeah, still 17 left in break 2. Okay, so that'll probably be tomorrow night, guys. Okay. Let's get over to this bad break bonus here. We're taking the top 5. We'll do the Blake Bortles after this, guys. If you had the Bengals, Broncos, Cardinals, Chargers, Colts, Cowboys, Jets, Panthers, Ravens, Seahawks, Texans, or Vikings, you win hitless in the break. Going to randomize this 3 times. Taking the top 5. Here we go. Here's number 1. Seahawks at the top after number 1. Like I said, taking the top 5 after number 3, guys. Here's number 2. There's number 2, Broncos at the top. And the final order, we're taking the top 5. You're getting a Super Bowl bracket entry from 101boxbreaks.com. There you go. 3 times, time stamped up. The Seahawks, Cardinals, Broncos, Bengals, and Chargers. The Seahawks, James C.O., the Cardinals. Michael C.A., the Broncos. Liam C.A., the Bengals. Charlie C.O. and the Chargers. Anthony E.R., you guys are getting spots in the Super Bowl bracket. All right, let me go ahead and sort all of that fun stuff out for just a second. Seahawks were in the 1 spot, Cardinals in the 2 spot. Really do appreciate you guys' patience. Trying to hook up these giveaways and whatnot, make sure I have everything in the right order. That way when I put them in later, they're everything's proper. Thanks, Stung. I really do appreciate it, brother. We basically just have the Blakey B giveaway to do now. Let me go ahead and save this video, and I'll be right back with you guys. Thanks for hanging in there. 101boxbreaks.com.